Hello students, today will we discuss about character of Desdemona। ये ओथेलो नामक प्ले है जो कि इसमें शेक्सपियर ने लिखा है। ओके, Desdemona is the only romantic character in the play. Since beginning of the play, she is represented to be lost in the love of Othello. She is more womanly than other women, as the novel Othello is more manly than other men, so that after all there is a very good reason for the attention between them. The most womanly of women feels herself drawn to the manliest of men. In the light of the above statement, it may be assessed that Desdemona is the finest character of Shakespearean tragedies. Mrs. Jamieson, regarding the character of Desdemona, is of the opinion Desdemona, with all her timid flexibility and soft acquiescence, is not weak, for the negative alone is weak, and the mere presence of goodness and affection implies itself a species of power. Power without consciousness, power without efforts, power with repose, that soul of grace. The attributes of her character can be defined with the following points. First हमारा a romantic figure. Desdemona is romantic by nature. Her romantic nature is obviously inclined toward the adventure life of Othello. She is charming, beautiful, with attractive physique. She is shy and blushing. She feels no attraction for the unadventurous gallants of her own country. The Othello's adventures lie on her heart. Her romantic nature fills her with pity for the peril and danger of Othello's hard life. Okay. She was sympathetic toward Othello, that she decided to marry him against his father's will. When she blames Othello for stealing his daughter, that Othello before Senate expresses how he won Desdemona when in Act 1, Scene 3. Next है her chastity and love for Othello. Desdemona as a wife is devoted to her husband Othello. Though she is romantic, yet her love is entirely dedicated to her husband Othello. She could never think ill of her husband. She boldly defended Othello against the charges imposed by her father, she says in the Act 1, Scene 2. Her love for Othello was strong even at the harsh behavior of Othello. However, she always thought of providing comfort to her husband. His words in Act 4, Scene 2 are full of feelings of love and devotion when she says, even at the savage act of her husband, she made not complaint. Othello was also aware of the chastity of Desdemona. He hardly believed against the chastity of his wife. Her devotion could not make Othello believe in Iago's words. Next है her helping nature. It was her helping nature that proved to be the fatal flaw of her character. She seems to be ever ready for anybody's help. Iago was also well aware of the helping nature of Desdemona that utilized as a weapon against Othello. This attribute of her character was presented to traduce her. Othello mistook her helping nature for her romantic inclination toward Cassio. At the request of Cassio, she promised to plead her case before Othello. Her helping nature is obvious in Act 3, Scene 3, when she assures Cassio in the following verse. She lived up to her words and kept pleading for Cassio at the cost of her life. Next, her pathetic nature. It was her pathetic character that made her inclined toward Othello. Hearing about the adventures gone Othello's life and the perils and dangers that he had gone through. Desdemona fell in love with Othello while he was black and Desdemona white. She married him against the will of her father. Moreover, she was pathetic toward Cassio, whom she assumed of getting her rank again. She did not everything to plead Cassio's case before Othello. Her pathetic nature, no complaint. Her pathetic end strikes the readers and wins our sympathy. Last conclusion. Desdemona is the masterpiece of Shakespeare's art of characterization. Desdemona represents any common devoted wife who remains loyal to her husband till her last breath. She is not only beautiful in her physical attire but also in her thoughts and ideas. She is enriched with the beauty of mind and nature. She is a loving daughter, a faithful lover, and devoted wife. Desdemona is the only romantic character in the play. Since beginning of the play, she is presented to be lost in the love of Othello. In the words of Burns, she is more womanly than other women. As the novel Othello is more manly than other men, so that after all there is a very good reason for the attention between them. The most womanly of women feels herself down to the manliest of men. In the light of the above statement, it may be assessed that Desdemona is the finest character of Shakespearean tragedy. Mrs. Jameson regarding the character of Desdemona. Issue of the opinion Desdemona, with all her timid flexibility and soft, is not weak, for the negative alone is weak, and the mere presence of goodness and affections implies itself a species of power, with repose that soul of grace. The attributes of her character can be defined with the following points. Next, Desdemona is romantic by nature. Her romantic nature is obviously inclined toward the adventurous life of Othello. She is very charming, beautiful with attractive physique. She is shy and blushing. He tells her that there is a magic woman in very texture of the handkerchief. There was a prophetess who lived long enough to see 200 revolutions of the sun. She lived for 200 years. It was in her moments of divine inspirations that she had prepared her handkerchief. The silkworms that prepared its silk were holy. It was then dyed in the juice of maidens' hearts extracted by experts. She is so sweet that she deserves to be an empress who can have a perfect command over her emperor by making him a slave of her love and charm. The tale regarding the magical properties of handkerchief no doubt leaves Desdemona awestruck and still more miserable. He wishes that Othello might have told her all this beforehand. We see a terrible conflict in Othello's mind between jealousy and rage. In fact, the misery of Othello makes our heart bleed.